more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous, their movements are spontaneous. They playing a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you run too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kilo. Take life jaja, no de para for life. What is yours will still be your own. Oh, it's a dangerous game they are playing. The game is so dangerous, so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, they are playing dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous, their movements are spontaneous. They playing a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous game.
Damn it!
Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you run too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kilo. Take life jaja, no de para for life. What is yours will still be your own. Oh, it's a dangerous game they are playing. The game is so dangerous, so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. Whoa.
Praying.
Yes, sir.
Preaching.
What were you guys doing?
Sir.
I was calculating the records.
Yes.
You were doing what?
Calculating the records.
Yes. She was calculating the records.
Me, I was praying.
What? You were sleeping on duty?
No.
Praying
Sleep.
on duty.
No. God forbid.
No.
We're not sleeping.
Is it possible?
No.
Give me a second. Jennifer, who's that?
I'm sleeping wrong.
Sophie. Who's that? So, Sophie, you snore. So loud. Tina.
Oh God, this is not me.
Who's that then?
It's me praying. Take your phone.
So this is what you guys do. I pay you to work. And after a day's work, instead of you to go home and sleep, you go straight to your boyfriend's house. You have sex. You drink alcohol. Then you come to my office to sleep like pigs. How would you feel if I slash your salary?
Sorry, sir.
sir. It will not happen again.
Yes, sir.
Now listen to me. I won't tolerate this nonsense again. Now all of you should go and wash the dishes. Go and do the dishes! Come here, you!
Sir.
You go. Go!
Okay, sir.
Go!
Sir.
Sophie,
Sir.
even you have changed. I thought you were different.
Sir, I swear to God, I am different. Oh. I was up night praying. I did all night.
I saw you praying with your legs open, wide open. My friend, will you go and join them?
Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir.
What? If I hadn't recorded them sleeping, it was beginning to look like I was lying.
Babes, currently, we are richer than our Oga. I don't know what we're still doing in that waitress job. I want to quit. I'm tired of that job. Always respect the baker when he teach you how to bake. See that fast food? It makes it easier for our clients to do business with us there. I don't talk anything bad though. See, Oyo, in our case, we're on our own right now. We are no longer working for Boss Gold. We can actually carry our clients to another place. Maybe open a 5-star club and then do our dealings there now. I will still operate from that side.
Babes, you're right. You're making sense.
Low-key. The word low-key. See, babe, we dey run this business on a low-key. Don't let medicine enter your head, though. Babe, don't get carried away. You understand? See, I know they carried away by anything, no. All I'm saying is that we need to change our business. We've got money. We have money right now. So more change business now. Now, Batting I talk. Chill. Chill, girl. Chill. Chill. Not the wrong speed. me no go jam trailer. You see, Frank fast food, they cover us. They cover our ass, babes. See, we feel go open this club or what's it they call them? 5-star whatever now. If you go open now, last you go choke. You go choke us. You feel me? So patience, girls.
I beg, my patience don't burst. It don't burst. In fact, it a leak. Oh, even tight person. Get my point now.
Tina.
Jenny, no, they call my name like this. Now, may you try to understand where they go. Nah, merely just they follow me. They merely too. That try to understand. If we upgrade finally.
Suffer. You go jam trailer. Tina, you go jam trailer. That place where you they drive go.
Overtaking is allowed.
May they no go overtake you. No talk, sir, no talk.
So George, over to you. Tell us, whose food is more delicious?
Calm down. Allow George to speak.
It's mine, of course. I cook way better, so there's no competition here. I'm taking the money.
You sure do, baby.
Okay, well, I think the vegetables taste the same.
What? There is no way. She got a chef here to make this food while she sat in the kitchen, while I cook from my own kitchen. It's not possible. You can't say that.
Florence, my dear, I am so sorry to disappoint you, but you just messed yourself up right now. I can never be like you.
Excuse me?
I never wanted to come learn from you because I know you don't even know how to prepare ordinary noodles.
What? Mike, what's your wife talking about? Well, you guys go to my house often to eat.
Yeah, of course. Can you allow George to be the judge, please?
Look, I know I am a bad cook, okay? But I employed a teacher by the help of my almighty busy mother. And guess what? I learned so well that I keyed into learning how to cook for my family other than the contest. Lady and gentlemen, may I shock your marrow? Our dear Florence here buys food from the same chef that taught me how to cook.
Oh, come on, that's a lie. How could you say a thing like that, George? Can you imagine?
Maurice, something must be wrong with you. Yes, something is definitely wrong with you.
Oh, really?
Yes!
You know what? I mean, to avoid all these quarrels and doubts, let that into my kitchen, then prove us all wrong.
Yeah, I second that. I agree. Prove a point, just a point. Remember, I set 5 million naira for this competition. I never knew some games were played under.
I will not do it. I am not cooking in your kitchen. I won't do it.
Oh, fine. No, that's fine. You know what? Why don't we just drive down to your house? Then make use of your own kitchen. I just want you to prove a point. That's all.
I second again. I agree. That was true.
Maureen, I won't sit here and watch you demean my person. Babe, I'm getting out of here. What rubbish is this?
Mike, talk to your wife.
What if I just done what she asked her to do? Go to the kitchen and prove herself. Or better still, go to
Okay.
the house.
Okay.
Let's enjoy the meal. Enjoy the meal. No, stop on that. Wait in here,
Babe, I know what I am saying. I know what I'm talking about.
Hi, Madam Florence. Oh, okay. I'll send one of my girls over to you so that... I said I'll send one of my girls to you to prepare the meals. You don't want my girl? I'm not available at the moment. Yes. But you can go to the restaurant and pick up what you want. Then maybe tomorrow I can come by to make whatever you want me to make. Okay. Alright, tomorrow then. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
So I'll be very busy tomorrow.
Hi, I didn't know you were standing there.
Yeah, I'm sorry anyway to meddle. If I may ask, who is Madame Florence? The name sounds so familiar.
She's a client, but I have a picture here. I can show you. Let's go.
Wow.
You know her?
Oh, no, not really. So what are we making for dinner?
Dinner, I don't know, maybe some vegetable stir fry. Because I was going to say oha soup, but it's too heavy.
Oh yeah. Okay. Alright.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I am actually.
Alright.
If you don't want, you may see who.
Okay.
Don't tell me anything. Do not tell me anything. Go ahead. Go ahead. Just head to the kitchen. What do you mean by what am I saying? Go to the kitchen and cook something, damn it. Go! Just go ahead. You know, everything is beginning to make sense to me right now. Ever since we got married, I have never for once seen you cook in the kitchen.
No. It's because when I cook, you're at work. Yes, now. I always cook when you're working. That is why you've not seen me cook now, eh?
Hey. Why not prove to your husband that Maureen lied against you? I will personally sue her.
George.
Prove to your husband.
George, even you. Babe, this is strange. How can my own husband not believe I can cook? For how long have we been married, eh?
Now listen and listen very good. If you do not prove to me that you are the one that has been cooking all the meals we have been eating in this house, you will leave my house. I swear.
Babe! Babe!
You better not come upstairs. You better not come upstairs because you will see that. You will see.
Babe, you're overreacting. Come on! I will say, babe! Babe!
Hold on.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
The bracelet.
Oh, yeah. You didn't tell me you were coming.
You know, I've been thinking. I was wondering where I left my necklace.
Just a moment. Have a seat. Can I help you? So how's life? How's everything?
Everything is fine. Yeah, we thank God.
Right.
And your business?
Well, business is good. We're pushing. Yeah, we're always pushing.
Please, can I make use of your restroom?
My restroom? Oh yeah, sure. Okay, I'll just show you to the restroom.
Alright.
Right there. Just show you.
about Lizzie, right?
Listen, you shouldn't be here, alright?
Am I not welcomed?
Listen, you shouldn't be here.
I know why.
Wrong timing.
Really?
Yes.
I see. Because Lizzie threatened you, right? How dare you sleep with my girlfriend?
What?
You heard me. Well, I've forgiven you. She'll never come close to you. It's all sorted.
Listen to me, this is not the time to talk about Lizzie, okay? I just want you to leave, please.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
Why?
Yes.
You want to know why?
Sure.
Because my mother is around.
Oh, your mom.
Wait. Where are you going?
I need to say hi to your mom.
No, you can't say hi to my mother.
Obera, what's with you?
Listen, my mom, okay, is way younger than you are. And I don't want her thinking I'm having something to do with a woman who's old enough to be her mother. No buts. Just come. Thank you. See you later. Hi.
What's that?
Huh?
What was that? I thought I heard some noise.
Forget about that. Are you done?
You seem nervous. Are you okay?
Am I?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm fine. You see, I wasn't expecting you. Okay, you barged in and
It's okay. I get it.
I'm very nervous around married people, so yeah.
Oh, I get it now. I mean, what a married woman could be doing in a bachelor's house.
Right.
I understand. So, I'll get going then.
You want to leave? What about your drink? No, it's okay. You can leave if you have to leave.
Okay. All right. So, my handbag.
Yeah, your handbag is right. Sorry, it fell under the pillows.
Okay. So.
Yeah, the door. So, take care. See you. Take care.
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous game. It's a dangerous game they are playing. A dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you run too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kilo. Take life jaja, no they better for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a dangerous game. They are playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous. So dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, they are playing dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They playing a dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They play in a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you run too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kiddo. Take life jaja, no de bad.
How dare you? Don't tell me that! No!
Mr. Accountant or whatever you call yourself, I did not disclose my PIN number to anybody. Neither did I disclose any digit number from my debit card to anyone. 458 million naira wiped out from my account. How come? Come, you must do something about it. You must. What is talking? What is talking? I don't know what you're talking about. All I want, you must do something about it, or something will happen to you. Now take me to the account officer.
Yes, sir.
Right, take me there.
My daughter. Mama. Look at how good you're looking, eh? You're just shining.
It's God, oh, Mama, it's God.
Eh? Wait, let me ask. Are you still doing that your, what's it called, waitress business?
Mama,
Eh?
No. Mama, look at me now. I have passed that level.
Oh.
Eh?
I can see you. Yeah.
Mama,
Eh?
my friend and I will own a hotel in the city now.
A hop?
Yes, Mama.
Bell.
Yes.
You.
Yes, Mama.
Hey. Sophia owns a hotel.
Yes, Mama.
Yeah?
Mama,
Eh?
I actually came here to beg you to please help me keep this document. Please, you need to keep it safe for me. I bought 7 plots of land in the city and a portable hotel for myself. So, Mama, please, this document needs to be kept safe, please.
Wait. Let me get you one. I should keep this.
Yes, Mama.
You bought 7 plots of land.
Yes.
And a portable hotel. You, Sophia.
Yes, Mama.
Yeah. How come? How manage?
Mama.
Wait, tell me, are you for real?
Yes, Mama.
Yeah. Sophia.
Mama.
Hey.
Obasi.
God, thank you.
And lastly, Mama, I want you to get yourself ready. We're going to leave this village. I want you to move into my duplex in the city. We will no longer live in this house. Mama, look at
You mean I will live here
Yes.
and become a township woman?
Yes, Mama.
Hey, Obasi. Oh, wow. Sophia.
Mama.
God, I thank you. God will bless you.
Amen, Mama.
Hey, no kwa.
Your friends are desperate people. Desperate and greedy people have gone to their grave early because of their quest for money. But I like the fact that you didn't join them.
That was good. Nati now. She just dey begin talk say make we fashi the eatery. When I come oppose, tell her say no. Make we dey on the low. She vex. Talk say I won't boss them around. Before I go talk 1, 2. Then pull out.
Let them go. Let them go. I wish them well. And I wish you well too. You know why I like you? You are smart.
Thank you. Thank you.
Babe, what's going on here? What's going on here? What's she doing here?
So, Maureen, you think you can ruin my home and then enjoy yours peacefully, right? Well done! Bravo! Clap for yourself. You've done well. Huh? So you made my husband chase me out of my house simply because I lied and pretended to know how to cook?
Oh, girl, but I said the truth.
The truth?
Yes.
The truth. The truth. Okay, so since we're in the season of spilling truth, why don't you tell your husband here the truth? Don't worry, I already told you.
What truth are you talking about?
The truth about the owner of that pregnancy. The real owner.
What are you talking about? Babe, what's she saying?
You told me that you slept in a strange man's house. A drunk who wanted to kill himself. But you told your husband here you slept in your parents' house. While you've been in and out of this strange man's house who happens to be Frank. You and your mother plan to bring Frank here to teach you how to cook so he can get you pregnant. Because your husband here has low sperm counts. How dare you? Are you mad? Are you crazy? Maureen, I'm going to kill you. You kept trying to fight me.
I'm trying to shoot something in my house. Are you okay? Eh? I think I can sleep myself. I left in the house. I want to sleep with myself. Oh. I will, if you near me, cheat on me, you think? After the hard money, I bet.
Baby,
I bet if you.
Baby, listen to me. Baby, please. Okay, baby, listen to me. I swear to God, I didn't do anything with it. I swear. I didn't do anything, baby.
Maureen, you leave my house. Maureen, you will leave my house, else I'll kill you.
Baby, I swear to you, she lied against me. I didn't do anything with him, believe me.
Oh, I was the one who slept with him. Gay, right?
Baby, please, listen to me.
Have the audacity to cheat on me?
I did not.
You had the audacity to cheat on me?
I did not, Baby, listen
if
to me.
If you block my way, if you block my way, what I will do to you?
Baby, you know I'm carrying your child.
If you come close to me, if you ever do, you have the temerity to cheat on me in my house?
Baby, because you're not. Baby, listen to me, Baby, please. Baby, please. Because Baby, please now listen to me. Baby, listen to me. Because you're not. Baby, you're not listening to me because you're not. Because of our baby, our unborn child. Because you here because you're not. Baby, because you're not. Because you're no baby, because no. You want to know the more. I want more. Baby, because no. Hey, baby. Mbano. Hey, baby. you do?
Let me just set my eyes on you again. We are alive. I feed you in my house, I do everything for you. At the end of the day, you sleep with my chef. You will never trust a woman. You will never trust a woman. I've been so faithful to this. Maureen, I don't want to call you names. I don't want to call you names. Choose not to be married. Can you imagine? Your chef? No.
Wow. And all this while, my wife has been busy lying and pretending to me.
Ken, your own is even better. Your wife did not cheat on you. She only lies and pretends. How about my wife? My wife cheated on me, connived with the mother, brought in a lover boy into my house in the pretense of one stupid chef. Gosh. I'm heartbroken. I'm broken. God.
Shit. Mike, you have to put yourself together, bro.
Okay, see. This thing that Mike said now is just the truth. You understand? You have to take back your wife. I'm telling you. Because your own case is minimal when you compare it to Mike's own. You understand? Let your wife just go and learn how to cook. And you guys will live happily ever after. You understand? So man, just fix it up. Look at Mike's own now. He's very terrible. Very, very terrible. Man, why? Women. Wow.
Why? Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong?
What have I done?
How dare you sleep with me and have the guts to sleep with my daughter and got her pregnant?
Your daughter? I didn't touch your daughter. When? How? Me?
Shut up! I know very well that my son-in-law is battling with low sperm count. Then how do you explain that my daughter, his wife, got pregnant? It's not you.
No, me? No. You have the wrong guy. I didn't touch your daughter, honestly.
Really? You want to lie?
I'm not lying.
You want to lie?
I'm not lying. I didn't touch your... You know what, just... Can I explain? Can you just give me a chance to explain, please?
Now stop talking.
Fine. Exactly what happened. She saved my life. I was going through some type of emotional roller coaster and she found me and I got drunk and she brought me home and cleaned me up. I didn't touch her. She actually said she was married, I can remember vividly. And you know, but it was late. I told her to pass the night, but nothing happened.
DNA.
Huh?
If I run a DNA test on her and it proves otherwise, she will not escape my bullet. That is to show you how deadly I can be when being aggravated. Lizzie is dead. I killed her.
Sorry, you said who's dead?
Shut up.
You said Lizzie, you said shh.
Don't mention it. I made Jojo finish her off. She will be next in line if the DNA proves otherwise.
Wait. Did she just say she killed? Hey. Ooh. Just like that.
did I get myself into this mess?
According to the DNA test conducted in my hospital, the DNA test result indicates that Mr. Michael Donald here is responsible for the unborn child.
You told me years ago that I had low sperm count.
Oh, yes, I did. But I can still remember I gave you some medication and advised you stick to it. Because at this point, I don't think I have any evidence to prove that you have a low sperm count.
I didn't even finish the medication.
That is the problem. Because you never came back to check if you're perfect again. You see, Mr. Michael, you're responsible for the unborn child. If you doubt this, I can give you the results so you go to any of the hospital for further approval.
Young man, are you satisfied? Maureen, right away, get inside, get your property, let's get out of here. No, please, please. I'm sorry, sir. Baby, please, I'm sorry. Did you hear me?
Daddy, please.
May I be excused, please?
Please.
I'm sorry, sir.
He's still my husband. And I still love him. I don't need to blame him so much. Because, I mean, I wasn't truthful at first.
Hello? My wife. Did you say my wife has been arrested? What did she do? You said what?
What happened, Daddy? What is it? What happened to Mom? What happened to her? What is it? Talk to me, Daddy.
Okay, just calm down.
Daddy, say something. What happened to Mom? Is she okay?
I must leave right away.
Daddy! What happened to my mom? Did you hear my dad?
I heard him.
He said my mom has been arrested. How?
Hey, don't worry, we'll take care of it. Okay, we'll handle it. Calm
It's
down.
a dangerous game.
Calm down. I'm sorry.
Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. I'm playing a dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it is the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous, their movements are spontaneous. They play in a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kiddo. Take life, jaja, no de para for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a dangerous game, dangerous. They are playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous, 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 so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, they are playing dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous, their movements are spontaneous. They play in a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kiddo. Take life, jaja, no de para for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a dangerous game, dangerous. They are playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous, 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 so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game.